After we remove the locking, let's go ahead and review the second relations that we, or the first relations that we have. We can see that we are making a relation to products, and we can see in the profiler that relations translates to 2100 calls. And if we'll open it, we can see that these calls are not that diverse and are many calls to the same product ID. For example, to get product ID 19, we made 37 calls. To get product ID 59, we make 54 calls. These are 54 calls to get the same product ID. 54 select statements that are going to the database to get the same product ID. Now, since this is a good machine and the database is local, it wasn't that expensive, but imagine that each query will take 1 millisecond of network, then this will become 2 seconds just for products. Now, there's no real point in getting the same product again and again from the database. So let's see how we can reduce those number of calls. Our access to the products table is based on product ID is equal to product ID. And if I'll go to the products table, I'll be able to see that product ID is our primary key. If I don't see it this obvious, I can look in the indexes and see that sort by product ID is actually a unique index. Okay? So I know that this is a relation that is called many to one, a relation that will go and get one row, and I know that we are getting many times the same row. So in this set of circumstances, we recommend using cache. How do we do that? It's actually very easy. We'll say here, cache equals true. Let's see where that takes us. Let's run the same process. We see that it's taken significantly less. Let's do the same with the profiler. Great. So we can see now, hopefully, that we only made 77 calls to the product table, and that was reduced to 55 milliseconds. Let's put those side by side. So instead of spending 323 milliseconds, we are only spending 15 milliseconds on the products table, which is an amazing improvement, also by a factor of 15. We can see already that we've got almost 30% improvement on the entire process just with the changes we've made so far. One more note from people from prior versions, people who are using prior versions of Firefly. If you've done this and you still didn't get the improvement performance, remove the allow row locking. Okay, in older versions of Firefly, you couldn't cache with allow row locking. So here we go, the changes that we've done. Let's just review it. We've taken the products table and added cache. Great, let's see what next we can do.